How to fix a printer blocked or printer error message for the HP OfficeJet printer series. This issue can occur when you are printing from an Android device or printing using the HP Smart app from an iOS or Mac OS device. If a printer blocked or printer error message appears, the solution is to update the printer firmware. To do this, power on your printer. On the Printer Control Panel home screen, select Menu. Select Tools and then select Maintenance. Select Firmware and then select Check. Select Yes and then select Continue. The firmware update begins. Once the update completes, you are able to begin printing again. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.